Problem description. Many stray animals suffer during cold weather due to lack of safe shelters. Traditional shelters often fail in insulation and environmental sustainability. This creates serious health risk for animals and environmental impact. Our project aims to solve this by designing an eco-friendly solar-powered shelter. Product service and description. BORAGE is a smart shelter powered by solar energy. It features thermal insulation, automatic heating, and a ventilation system. Shelter activities in dark or cold weather to keep animals warm. All materials are recyclable and suitable for outdoor use. Target audience. Our target audience includes animal caregivers, volunteers, and local municipalities. It is also ideal for people who care for animals in gardens or shared space. We aim to spread awareness of eco-conscious animal care. The product feeds public parks, streets, or private properties. Value proposition. Borage offers a sustainability and ultimate shelter solution. It protects animals without harming the environment. With solar energy and recycled materials, it reflects sustainability. The system also requires no manual operation. For to listening.
Hello, dear friends and teachers. Welcome our presentation. This is BORAGE Technological Pet Shelters, and I will talk about future plans and some informations. First of all, we have a future plan. Our plan is to scale this shelter to urban areas. We intend to collaborate with local governments and NGOs. Future versions will have better solar control and energy tracking. This will increase autonomy and efficiency in shelter management. And I will talk about the channels and some programs. We promote Borage on platforms like Instagram and YouTube. Second Life is used to display the shelter in virtual events. Posters, blogs, and notecards supports awarenesses. These channels help us reach both real and digital communities. And the last thing is development ideas for borage technological pet shelters. We are working on VR monitoring to view to shelters remotely. A mobile app will allow users to check and adjust the system. We plan to improve solar efficiency and responsiveness. Further upgrades aim to improve safety and user control. Thank you for listening our presentation.
Thank you, Yellow
If
Pea.
You're welcome. If you have questions, we are here.
I have questions.
Of course.
So, first of all, I want to acknowledge Boran for the solar powered pet house. I've never seen that before, and it's been a big hit with the customer role play team. Second player, please explain your product in the background. It has a blinking red and green head. Please, what is the name of that product, and what is your plan for it?
Of course. Also, you can read the background Borage solar power system. We explain the whole system.
No, what is the black cross with the green and red head? What is that product? What does it do? Magua is standing by it.
This one. Wait a minute. This is my solar panel. I made it like a little solar panel. You
Oh,
can
okay.
you can use the everywhere. Also, you can use it in your home.
Oh, okay.
It's more flexible for the use for everywhere.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. So, if